You know Power BI, but still you have lots of questions in your mind. How does it happen? Why it happens? How can I do that? This is the series for you. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Hello and welcome to another video on abstract thesis series, and in today's video we are going to discuss how can you use Windows function as a rank. How can you get rank from it? But I'll also tell you whether you should be considering this function for doing rank or not. Okay, so let's jump onto the Power BI, and in Power BI I'll I will go to the new file, create it, and come back to this file. And the reason I want you to come back to this file and look at it, because if I calculate these stats on the runtime and when we come back, it may happen that we might not be able to do justice with the time which we want to spend. So what I'm going to do is, basically there is one new change which has come into the Power BI, and the new change which has come into the Power BI is in the Windows function. Now we are able to sort on a measure even when we use the relative position. So let me show you this feature. So if those of you who are watching my channel might have seen in the past, we have done videos where we were not able to sort on a measure in Windows function when the relative rank was used. So let me show you what was that issue and how. Okay, so I will not be able to show the issue because there is no more issue. So I want to just say, let's say I want to get a cumulative. So, and the reason I'm getting cumulative here, just wanted to show what has changed here. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so how would you do a cumulative here? So cumulative is really simple. We want calculate net, and then we will say window function. Now in the window function, what used to happen, if you are using brand for the sorting, then it was pretty easy. Then you can do sorting basically by taking 0 as absolute or 1 as absolute and 0 as relative. In that case, it used to allow only sorting on the brand, was not allowing you the sorting on the major which was available with us. But now it is allowing us. So if I say add columns, all selected, item brand, you can also opt for the previous way which I was using, comma, underscore net, comma net, now we are done with this. Now order by underscore net, close window, close net. So this was not possible when we were using relative. So if I previously, when I used to drag this, it was giving me error. So I am in, basically right now, if you can see, I am in the February release. So this is my February 2023 release. That's what I am using, and that's where this limitation has been taken off. Now because it's sorting now on this one, so it gives me option that I can actually create a rank here, isn't it? So what I say, why don't I do here, and I say, I copy paste this, I say rank, and here I say distinct count, because with the count I might not get, so I say distinct. I'll tell you few things which we can do. Item brand, and let's bring in, and we can also check rank is already there, so let's call it rank one. Let's call it rank window. And we have done ascending rank. We need a descending rank, so we actually can go here and say descending. Okay. So cumulative is also, you can see in the last one, it is getting added from bottom to up, it is getting added. Okay. So now what you are seeing here is basically, so your rank is 1, this is the number 1, and we have, because we have used ascending in the cumulative is from lower to higher, it is getting summed up. Okay, you can go get from higher to lower also summed up by using descending. So now we have the rank. But I'll tell you one thing and then you will understand whether it's a costly function or this one. So let what I do, I'll bring out this window portion of this one. So see where window is ending. Let's see. So window is ending here. So let me create and let me show you what exactly rank function this window function is giving you. So my window brand, and I say concatenate x is one function where I'm going to give this as an argument, and then I'll ask to give it back me brand, and I'll separate it by comma, and let me close this. So I got window brand. Let me correct this one. Now you see a little bit of familiarity here. 8, 8, 13, 8, 13, 11, and now you understood. So what does it means is basically I even don't need to do distinct count. What I can do basically is I can say rank again, and instead of concatenate x I can say count x, isn't it? And I in the count x I don't need the third argument, so I can simply have this, and once I get this major I can bring it here and place it just before the rank window, and you can see this rank is also giving same. It seems pretty promising, and another promising thing about it that it's able to handle the same value. So if you go here on the other file, let me go to the other file. The good thing about this function, and if I scroll down in this file, you will see there are certain same values. So we'll come across same values here, like these two values are same. I'm able to get a tiebreaker, and I'm able to get two different ranks here. If I go here, if you look at this visual, I am going to get the same rank. Okay, I'm getting same rank, I'm getting same rank. I need to write down the tiebreaker code. I don't need a tiebreaker here. It has been taken care. So seems like pretty interesting function. But and I'll tell you how I created this is 30,000 rows for which I've created the index, and you know how it is going to behave. So last line will have 30,000 those things. So I have used in this visual specifically order number, which is I have 30,000 order numbers, and let me show you how I created this measure. And then let me show you what stats are coming in. Same count x absolute, all selected sales order number, net, order by net, descending order number. Okay, let me make it a little bit bigger so that you can see it. Okay, so count x windows 1 to absolute, 0 relative, add columns, all selected sales order number, net. Net is the column which I'm adding to my add columns. Then I'm order buying underscore net, which has been renamed, descending order and order number. So everything seems fine, isn't it? Now look at the timing this one has taken. So this is the timing of this function dex major which is coming here. Now if you look at the time comparison, which is for this one, if I refresh clear everything and refresh it, it's pretty less. I have tested it out. So even if and here I can do here is basically let me click on this visual rank order number, let me take it out and let me bring it back, rank order number, and knowingly I'm not doing that with the other visual. Look how less time it took. So rank is still a pretty good function when it comes to this particular operation. Yes, on a smaller data, if you don't want to write down a code for breaking ties, windows could be a good option. But yes, on a bigger set of data, rank is still a better function. Performance wise, you have seen the numbers how different they are. Yes, there could be optimization things which we can do in the windows function, where we can find out a different method to do that, which will can give us better results. But if we are going to use it in this manner, rank seems like a better option. But yes, you have an option to create rank using Windows function, and for the smaller set of data where we have limited data, where we don't want the ties, we can still go ahead and use it. So go ahead and try this out and do let me know what else you want me to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Keep watching, keep asking questions in comments, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for new videos. Thank you.